Hey guys, it's me again, doing an unboxing. Actually, you don't know, but I collect lighters, actually Zippo lighters. I just got two today, which are pretty plain. So, yeah, I'm chewing gum too. But hang on, I'm gonna go grab some real fast. I'll be back. If you guys watch the channel, you guys know I review knives too. So yeah, I'm gonna show you. I have two of them today. So there you go. Alright. Plain silver. One right now. I'm gonna unbox this carefully. Just gotta make sure I don't. There we go. Okay. They make these things so hard to get into. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So we got the like the pink ground. What the hell? I've never actually bothered to read this stuff, so I just had to fill it and stuff like that. That's all that says. Oh, they have a new hot product. Ooh, yeah. So cool. Alright, now to get to the lighter part that you guys have all been waiting for. I'm not gonna take this thing in. I mean, just say Zippo lighter. Cuckoo. Yeah. Actually, I haven't looked at it yet. Ooh, I like it. The little sticker on the back. Yep. It's pretty cool. I will review this later. I just unboxed it, so yeah, see you guys.